Merry belated Christmas and a Happy New Year from me to you and yours. I wanted to make a quick video to thank you all for watching my channel this last year. I know there are bajillions of videos on the internet that you could watch, so whether you saw all of mine or just one, I greatly appreciate you being here. I just do this for fun, so the fact that anyone watches my stuff is kind of a miracle, so thank you very much for sharing your time with me. And with that, I just thought it might be fun to go over some hobby and wargaming New Year's resolutions that we can make for 2026. These are mostly just my resolutions, but maybe they're similar to yours. So let's get started. Now, besides the stereotypical resolution of losing weight and exercising more that almost everyone makes, the first one is to not overbuy. Buying cool things is always fun, but be wary of how much money and time you're investing in them. For most of us, money doesn't grow on trees, and there are only so many hours in the day. So just be careful not to put yourself into monetary or time debt. And that leads into my next resolution, which is to try to have some better time management. I know that when I get home from my full-time job, I don't always want to do anything productive. But if I want to finish any of the projects I've started, I really shouldn't just waste all of my time sitting around watching Netflix, playing video games, or surfing social media. That being said, working yourself to death isn't a good thing either, so I think we all could benefit from finding a happy balance between all of these things. And with better time management, maybe we can get all of those models that are still in boxes glued together. It's hard to play games, or do anything else for that matter, when they're just sprues sitting around unassembled. Maybe we just need to set aside an hour or so a night to work on them until the backlog is caught up on. Then, once all the miniatures are assembled, maybe we can get some paint on them this year. It doesn't have to be fancy, even just some speed paints will help a gray model look exponentially better. And this is also the perfect time to test out that new painting color scheme you saw on Instagram, or use that new shading trick you saw on YouTube. Don't forget to try out some new things and experiment this coming year. Maybe you'll find something that makes your project stand out from everyone else's. Lastly, how about we try finishing a project this year? If you're anything like me, you probably have tons of ideas of things that you would like to do, and multiple half-done projects sitting on shelves or in boxes. So maybe for 2026, we try to push some of those over the finish line. Start small, pick something you know won't take much time to finish, and get a check mark early to build up that confidence. And then use that momentum to make some headway on some of the tougher projects. And that's it. Like I said, just a short little sweet video. Hopefully, with these hobby resolutions, you and I can look forward to a productive and fun 2026. What do you think of these resolutions? Are they good goals to have for the coming year? Do you have any other fun resolutions that you're making this year? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks again for hanging out with me throughout 2025, and let's work on being the best we can be in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.